Hello everyone, welcome back with Group 7. We are here now to tell you the similarities and difference of working culture in Indonesia and Japan. First, we're gonna tell you about the similarities.
Indonesia and Japan are both similar to doing work by working in groups to achieve efficiently and effectively set goals. Finishing a job in groups makes work more quickly accomplished and can increase teamwork between group members. Indonesia and Japan both share a common respect for the relationship between a superior and a subordinate. It is essential to keep the ethics in the work world and respect each other.
To me, for the similarities of working culture between Indonesia and Japan, first, both countries have something in common when workers or employees have a strong motivation to better themselves by learning from mistakes or failure. This is certainly very good because strong motivation to become better can improve the quality of self in the world of work. Both countries have companies that offer either benefits or the bonus to the employees. This can certainly increase the well-being of each worker and can increase the motivation for work.
The difference of working culture between Indonesia and Japan.
Japan has a high sense of discipline. Work culture in Japan is famous for perfectionism and discipline. It does seem rigid, but the culture makes the work schedule neatly organized. Working time is also carefully calculated. In contrast to the work culture in Indonesia that doesn't appreciate time or often we call it rubber clock. Workers in Japan are highly dedicated to their work. In doing the job, Japanese society has always been totally and highly dedicated. In fact, Japanese people usually start work 30 minutes before business hours to prepare for all work needs. The cool thing is, Japanese society doesn't delay the time to work, unlike workers in Indonesia who tend to like to delay work and will start work if it is approaching the deadline.
Do the work in great detail, also including the Japanese work culture. The workers need to do the work in great detail because in their society, Japanese always pays attention to have a work that is considered to be insurable. Because of this culture, Japanese manufacture stuffs that have a good quality. Not to distinguishing the work of others also belongs to one of Japanese work culture. So, while working in Japan, everyone should be ready to do any kind of work. In fact, it should be ready to do the job that not like as well. Even you don't want to do that, you need to be ready to take that as your job. Because of this work culture, many people do not underestimate any kind of work, in contrast to the work culture in Indonesia, that often underestimating the work of others, especially the work of those who get paid lower.
Work for pleasure, not for a salary alone. Of course, Japanese people also do not work without a salary or with a low salary. But if the salary is good, the Japanese work for pleasure. When asked, if you become a billionaire and don't have to work, you stop working? Most Japanese people reply, I don't stop keep working. For Japanese people, work it's like a game that's played along with a close friend. Usually, in Japan, The work is done by one team. He wants to success in this game and wants to improve himself. And for him to trust each other is very important because the game is too interesting. He sometimes forget to go home. This phenomenon is called workaholic by foreigners, unlike Indonesia, which tends to be quiet, satisfied easily. It sometimes causes a sense of laziness to keep working.
That's all from us. See you next time. Thank you.